Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to find trusted devices on your Facebook. What are they? The files that you have used or people have used to log in on your Facebook. So find it. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is open your Facebook. You're going to search Facebook. Open your Facebook. Now once you open your Facebook, now the first thing you need to do is click on this your profile picture. Then click on this gear icon, which is setting. Click on the settings gear icon and then click on this account center. Then click on password and security. Now note guys, before you can find your trusted devices on your Facebook, you need to turn on your two-factor authentication. So just click on it. If you have not turned it on, click on it. If you have not, you have to enter your password to continue. And let's see. Okay, so you can see now, you can see trusted device. Click on the trusted devices, and this is the devices that log in to my Facebook, and that is about 4 months ago, which is Efinex. You can see this is how you find all your devices, all the devices that have logged into your account on their devices. You're going to find it very easily. Yeah, and that is it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.